get our brake service. Check it out.
Let's go.
Let's go. No.
Where are you going?
No testing. We're doing a brake check with Jason, Master Suit.
Yeah, the front definitely. 100%. 100% the front.
100%.
Yeah.
Follow this guy. His name's Jason.
Hey. See if this guy's here. 32, unit 32. Thank you. Wait, give me a minute. Let me see if he's inside.
Yeah.
This guy is really good at the engine.
Engine?
Yeah. Oh, it's not here.
We got Jason in here.
Yep. Let's go back.
If you guys need to, you know, express.
Oh, catch this one, Stephen. Accord. That's accord. Oh, correct. Just we haze,
Yo, thank you, Jason. Jeez.
No problem.
Where's the top? My name's Jason.
I don't know.
Johnny or Knoprod.
Turn left on Hushers.
Good?
Yeah, he said
Nice. Adam, they were colleagues.
Yeah. Oh,
1JC, man. 2.5. Stock twins. Downpipe. Wide pipe, HK, super dragger. 2JC, minus ECU, 550 injectors, cold intake, mission water rad, fans, aftermarket oil cap.
jeez.
Needing tire spark plugs.
That's dope. Damn, son.
Plan to go louder.
Jeez, this is sexy, bro. Very
Thanks,
sexy.
man.
Yo, this
Appreciate
is
it.
sexy. Pickering,
We're over there.
Pickering meat. Pickering meat.
Frickering.
You already know. Got Knockrod in the
Yo,
cut.
what's up,
Yo,
man?
The Knockrod team.
Knockrod, the team. Homies here for us.
I would have bought it from you too. I'm like, bro.
Alright, bro. What's your Instagram, bro?
My Instagram _Seuss_A.
Follow him, guys, follow him.
Dr. Seuss.
Dr. Seuss. Get it.
Masood.
Alright, bro. What you got there?
I got a supercharged S250, which is 600 wheel.
Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Jay
man.
Swap.
What's your Instagram? What's your Instagram, bro?
Tan2Fiddy FIDDY.
Yeah, follow him, though.
Check
follow
the
him.
stats, alright?
Check him out. Check him out. It's not that loud, yeah.
My ears are done.
Did you hear from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was close too.
I was like, I
I
can't.
gotta be immune, yo. That's freaking today. Bro, where we at right now? We're at Brock Road.
Yeah, Brock Road, Pickering.
Let's get
93.5.
Jeez. So we're gonna check out some cars.
Yes.
To see the cars around
We're
here
shopping
in
for my
Pickering.
future car.
Durham.
Sponsored by my bae.
Durham, let's go. Did you find your car you like?
Not yet.
Hey.
Wait,
I really like the
let's play
RX-7s though. I really like the FDs.
I found the guy I like.
Jeez. We just finished our car wash. And we're gonna do some pulls just to do an air dry. This time to do car washes usually at nighttime, so you don't get sunspots. So right now my car is soaking wet, and we're gonna go for a pull so the car is dry. What it do, guys? So today we're gonna try to restore our headlights. It's kind of hazy, see that? Kind of hazy. So we're gonna fix that just now, you already know. Let's get it. I'm gonna be using this baby right here. New lens. I used it already before, but like we're gonna do it again, you know? First we gotta tape this thing out right here. Gonna tape that out. That thing. That thing. So let's get to it. All right, real estate agent Nathan.
What's up?
Hey. All right. So basically that's how you restore your headlights. Get out of here. Get out of here.